Now let us see some problems of the topics covered in previous classes. Find the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0 at 3, 4. The equation of tangent at any point on the circle is s1 is equal to 0. So, given circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. Let it be S coordinates. And given point P 3, 4. So equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation of tangent at the point. Remember that important concept. Equation of tangent at the point is S1 is equal to 0. So that is xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So x into what is x1 here 3 plus y into 4 g and f here 2z is equal to minus 4 g is equal to minus 2 2f is equal to minus 6 f is equal to minus 3. So minus 2 into x plus 3 minus 3 into y plus 4 plus 11 equal to 0. So 3x plus 4y minus 2x minus 6 minus 3y minus 12 plus 11 equal to 0. So 3x minus 2x x 4y minus 3y plus y. So minus 18 plus 11 minus 7 equal to 0. That is the equation of the tangent at that point. Now second model. Find the equation of normal at 1, 2 to the circle x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0. Now we know that normal passes through the center of the circle. Normal always passes through the center of the circle. So you just need to find the equation of the line passing through C and P. So given circle x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal 0. So 2z is equal to minus 22, g is equal to minus 11, 2f is equal to minus 4, f is equal to minus 2. So center C minus g comma minus f, that is 11 comma 2. And given point P 1 comma 2. Now normal from P passes through the center of the circle. So equation of normal at P is line CP. It is nothing but the line joining CP. So that will be y minus 2 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. 2-point form. So y minus 2 is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. That is the required normal passing through the point of contact. Now I will give you worksheet on these problems. You have to complete that worksheet and post it to me through WhatsApp number. Good morning students. In this class we are going to discuss about relative position of a line with respect to the circle. Now a line can take 3 positions with respect to the circle. Now first one, a line can intersect the circle. Line intersect the circle. So a line can intersect the circle like this. Now second one, a line can touch the circle like this. A line can touch the circle. Line touches the circle. Third one. Now and the line and circle do not meet like this. Line and circle do not meet. So these are the relative positions of a line with respect to the circle. A line can intersect the circle, a line may touch the circle, and a line and the circle do not meet. Now we are going to derive algebraic conditions for these relative positions. Now let us consider a line y is equal to mx plus c and a circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. Now x square plus y square is equal to r square is a circle with center 0, 0 and radius small r. So this is the circle with the center 0, 0 and radius small r. Now we know that a line can take three positions with respect to the circle. So given x square plus y square is equal to r square with center 0, 0 and radius small r, and given line y is equal to mx plus c, that is mx minus y plus c equal to 0. Now let us consider perpendicular distance from center to that line. So let d be the perpendicular distance from c 0, 0 to the given line. Now perpendicular distance from origin to any line is mod c by root of a square plus b square. So here it will be d. D is equal to mod c by root of what is a here m square plus minus 1 whole square. So d is equal to mod c by root of 1 plus m square. So this is the perpendicular distance from the center to the line. Case 1, that is the line y is equal to mx plus c intersect x square plus y square is equal to r square at a and b. Now we suppose that the line intersects the circle at a and b like this. Remember, whenever the line intersects the circle, it made a chord of length AB. Now this line make a chord of length AB. We are going to find the length of that chord also. Now C is its center and R is its radius and D is the perpendicular distance from center to the line. Now clearly you can see D is also the foot of D is the perpendicular distance from center to the line, and capital M is the foot of perpendicular drawn from center to the line. Now from this diagram you can say that D is less than R. You can observe the lengths also. Clearly you can observe that perpendicular distance is less than radius, where d is given by mod c by root of 1 plus m square. So mod c by root of 1 plus m square is less than radius. So mod c less than r root 1 plus m square. So whenever a line satisfies the condition mod c less than r root 1 plus n square, then it intersects the circle at 2 points. Now whenever the line intersects the circle at A and B, it makes a chord of length AB. And here the M is the foot of perpendicular drawn from center to the line. Remember that the foot of perpendicular drawn from center to the line is the midpoint of the chord. Very, very important concept. First point is foot of perpendicular drawn from center to the line. From center to the line is the midpoint of the chord. Midpoint of the chord. So here the midpoint of the chord is capital M. Very, very important concept. You can find the midpoint of the chord by using foot of perpendicular formula from first year intermediate level. So that is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. By using that formula you can find that midpoint of the chord. So if it is the midpoint of the chord, if total length of the chord is 2x, then AM or MB will be small x. Now let AM or MB is x. Now from right angle triangle CMB, you can say that d square plus x square is equal to r square. D square plus x square is equal to r square by using Pythagorean rule. Now from this x square is equal to r square minus d square, and x is equal to root over r square minus d square, which is the half the length of the chord. So length of the chord is the 2 times that x. So length of the chord is equals to 2 root r square minus d square. Very, very important concept. Length of the chord of the line on the circle is 2 root r square minus d square. That is the case 1. In case 1, if mod c less than r root 1 plus n square, then the line intersects the circle. Whenever the line intersects the circle, the foot of perpendicular drawn from the center to that line is the midpoint of the chord. You can find that point by using the foot of perpendicular formula in first year. And that length of the chord is given by 2 root r square minus d square. Very, very important concept. Next, case 2. Now suppose the line touches the circle. Remember that if a line touches the circle, then it will be a tangent to that circle. We studied them in previous classes. So the line here touches the circle at the point P. Now clearly you can see radius and distance are equal. So D is equal to R, where D is mod c by root of 1 plus n square is equal to R. So mod c is equal to R root 1 plus n square, and c is equal to plus or minus R root 1 plus n square. Now this is very, very important, because if c is equal to plus or minus R root 1 plus n square, then the line is a tangent to the circle. Now the given line is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. So if you can replace c with plus or minus r root 1 plus m square, then it will become a tangent. Now note, the line touches the circle at P. Now here P is called point of contact. So where that line touches the circle, that point is called the point of contact, and remember that it is the foot of perpendicular from center to the line. So P is the foot of perpendicular from center to the line. Very, very important concept. Point of contact is the foot of perpendicular from center to the line. You can find the point of contact by using the foot of perpendicular formula. And another point is any tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square is y is equal to mx plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. Now you can write the tangent as y is equal to mx plus or minus r root 1 plus m square, because y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the circle whenever c is equal to plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. So any tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square is given by y is equal to mx plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. Now if the circle is in the general form, then you have to shift this equation to minus g comma minus f. Now any tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. So this is the tangent to the circle in the general form. So tangent to the circle in standard form is y is equal to mx plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. You have to shift that equation to minus j comma minus f, so that you get the tangent to the circle in general form. Very, very important concepts. Now case 3, suppose that the line and circle do not meet. They look like this. Line neither touches the circle nor intersect the circle. In this case, clearly you can see perpendicular distance is greater than radius, so d greater than r, where d is given by mod c by root of 1 plus m square is greater than r, so mod c greater than r root 1 plus m square. In this case, nothing can be said. But you have to remember this point for MCET exams. They will use this condition to find the solution of the given problem. Important concept for MCET exam. So clearly a line can take 3 positions with respect to the circle. It touches the circle, it intersects the circle, and it does not meet the circle. These are the required conditions for those geometric positions. Another important model, find the length of the chord of x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0 of the circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0. Now the length of the chord of the line made on the circle is 2 root r square minus d square. It is very important concept. They will give you as 4 marks question. So here it is a circle and the line make a chord of length AB. You have to find that length. For that you need to find the distance from center to the line and radius of the circle. So that you can use the formula 2 root r square minus d square. Now given circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0. Here 2z is equal to minus 1, g is equal to minus 1 by 2. 2f is equal to 3, f is equal to 3 by 2 and c is equal to minus 22. You need to find radius and distance. First let us find radius. Radius of the circle r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. So root over 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 plus 22. So it will be 10 plus 88 by 4. So root of 98 by 4. That is the radius of the circle. Now you have to find the distance from center to the line. So let D be the perpendicular distance from C to the line x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. We know the perpendicular distance formula mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. So d is equal to mod. Now center is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So from C 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So mod ax1. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by root of a square plus b square. This is the formula. Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Perpendicular distance from a point to the line. So d is equal to, it is 1 plus 3, 4 by 2. So it will be 2 minus 3 by root 2. So d is equal to 1 by root 2. Now you have radius and perpendicular distance. So length of the chord, that is 2 root r square minus d square. So 2 root. What is r? Root over 98 by 4. So r square will be 98 by 4 minus d square. D square is 1 by 2. So 2 root 98 minus 2 by 4. So 2 root 96 by 4. So 96 is equal to 16 into 6. So it will be 2 root 16 into 6 by 4. So length of the chord is equal to 4 4s are cancelled, so 2 root 24. That is the result. Now I will give you worksheet on these problems. That is, the model is length of the chord. To find the length of the chord made by the line on the circle, you have to complete the worksheet and post it to me through WhatsApp.